today let's start with chapter number 8, coding with Scratchjr. So let's study about the Scratch screen. I will tell you about what is Scratchjr. So coding, it is the new literacy. Coding means computer programming, which allows us to think, express ideas and empower us to only use the different technology, right? And to create it. So let's start with Scratchjr. It is visual fun-based programming language. By this, you can solve different problems, you can design projects and express themselves creating onto the computer. So you can program your own interactive stories and games through the coding. So through coding, what you can do, you can draw your interactive stories and games, right? So we can work on Scratchjr by snapping together programming blocks to make character move. You can jump them, you can dance, let them dance and sing. So you can modify the characters and change them. So let's study about how to download Scratch. We can download the app followed by the link https://www.scratchjr.org.com. So we can download and run better version of the Scratch on desktop computer by clicking on the link. By clicking on this link also you can draw it. So in this version the work of the Scratchjr is same, but we will not see the original Scratch cat. It will be same, but the cat, which is the original cat, will not be seen over here. So now starting. So click on the home button. The home screen show all the save Scratchjr projects, right? So click the plus sign to make a new project. If you have to make a new project, you will click on the plus sign, right? So first of all, let me show you how to download it. So for that, www. Like this. So this is how we have download. Now we will install it. So like this, we will install our Scratchjr. So first, let's start with the topic starting Scratchjr. So for that, first of all, you will click the home button and then click the plus sign to make a new project. So let's start. Let's open it. So like this is your Scratchjr window. Like this. This is our new project. When we have to start the new project, you will click on it. So let's the Scratch JR window appears on the screen with various components. Show to make a amazing stories and games as shown in the adjoining figure. You can make your own stories and games. Let's see them. These are the different. This is your background. This is your script list. This is your sprite. This is stage and these are block categories. These are the different code. This is code area. This is block plotted. This is flag. These are the pages, right? This is all about the screen. So now sprite, it is the character that performs all the action. What it is a character that performs all the actions. What is stage? Place where we see how sprite moves and interacts with other. How it will interact with other. Then it is background. We can change different background using this feature. Right? Now sprite list, we can add more sprites in our project from this list. Then we have flag. So we can click on the green flag to start our program. Where you will click on the green flag. Pages, we can use it to add new pages in the project. Then is block plotlet that shows all the blocks, whichever blocks is available. Next is block category. This area lists the 6 categories of colors coded blocks. Blocks are the blocks of codes that are dragged and dropped. Where what you do? You drag and drop into the code area. Next is code. It is also known as program. It is a collective instruction given to the sprite in the form of stacks of blocks. Then we have code area. So it is the place where we make our programs by snapping blocks. So let's study about the motion of sprite. So when we launch Scratchjr, it creates a new project that includes the sprite. So let's follow the below steps to move the sprite. Click on the motion block, select the move right block and drag the block from the block plate. What you will do? You will drag the block and click on the move right. When you will click on the move right, it will move right, and if you will click on the back, it will move back. Right? So click on number 1 and click on number 5. Right? After that, click on the move right block. So your block will move right. So the sprite moves according to the number and in the direction of the arrow. So let's study how to change a background. Now if you want to change a background, so for that, click on the background button. You will go to the background button. Here is the background option. You will click on it and new background is add. You will click on the desired add background, whichever background you want to click. Now click on the check mark and then new background is added. Right? This was all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.